Boost your vocabulary. 30 cleaning tools in English. Let's begin. Broom. Broom. I used a broom to sweep up the mess. Microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloth. If the grill is removable, wipe down the blades with a microfiber cloth. Steam cleaner. Steam cleaner. We cleaned the carpets with a steam cleaner. Dish brush. Dish brush. Our dish brush is easy to clean with soap after use, without the food particles and grease on it. Mop. Mop. The kitchen needed a quick mop. Wipe. Wipe. I gave the table a wipe with a damp cloth. Brush. Brush. You'll need a stiff brush to scrape off the rust. Scrub brush. Scrub brush. Clean the inside of the icebox with a scrub brush. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. After cleaning the toilet bowl, rinse the toilet brush and let it air dry before storing it. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. She empties the vacuum cleaner bag or canister after each use. Feather duster. Feather duster. He uses a feather duster to remove dust from surfaces. Dustpan. Dustpan. They pick up these plant pieces by hand or with a dustpan and brush. Bucket. Bucket. We used 2 buckets of water to clean the yard. Squeegee. Squeegee. She dries the window by swiping it with a squeegee. Paper towels. Paper towels. He dried his hands on a paper towel and threw it in the trash. Spray bottle. Spray bottle. I keep a spray bottle in the bathroom containing water plus a liberal dash of bleach. Scraper. Scraper. He uses his scraper to remove the softened adhesive. Steel scourer. Steel scourer. We clean the pot with a steel scourer. Lint roller. Lint roller. I use a sticky lint roller to get the little bits of hair off of my clothes. Sponge. Sponge. The rest of the pasta maker was easy to clean with a sponge. Cleaning spray. Cleaning spray. Use your favorite cleaning spray to clean the toilet tank, base, and seat. Rubber gloves. Rubber gloves. She wears rubber gloves to do household chores. Bin bag. Bin bag. The plastic bag should then be placed in a second bin bag and tied. Rubbish bin. Rubbish bin. They should have been thrown in the rubbish bin. Plunger. Plunger. There was no plunger available in the entire building. Tissue. Tissue. She wiped her nose with a tissue. Wastebasket. Wastebasket. He tossed the wrapper into the wastebasket. Sanitizer. Sanitizer. The sanitizer was sold to clean humidifiers. Bleach. Bleach. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used as bleach. Ladder. Ladder. They used a ladder to clean up the second floor window. Thanks for watching. If you want to boost your vocabulary, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in our upcoming videos.